Hello everyone, it's Tilly from Tilly Journals. Welcome back to my channel and to another kit lineup video. This week we are filming the kit lineup for March. I'm actually filming this what feels really early, but it's actually when I would normally film it to get it out to you. So there's that. But yeah, I don't feel very prepared, and I've literally just gone through and like finalised a few things. But we'll see. I'm also going to be releasing underlays in my shop. I'm going to go into the first kit while I talk. I'm going to be releasing underlays in my shop next Friday, so a week today. So next Friday should be new release video. And I've got the foil I'm going to use for the underlays, and I can tell you what the design is for the 4 kits that I may or may not be using them with. But anyway, they're not made because they're not ready, and to be honest, I'm not sure they're going to be ready in time to film next week's new releases video, but if it has to be late, it has to be late. But anyway, okay, so this is Scuba. I am using the first week, which is the 27th of February till the 5th of March, because we are taking the guides to a sleepover in the Deep, which is an aquarium in Hull, over that weekend. So this is the kit. This is Digiberry Designs art, and it is put together by Plannerface. I do PR for Plannerface, so you can use a discount by it until you're done. I'm not going to go over the kit format, but I freaking love these colours. It's going to be very bright and cheerful for February-March transition, but I'm here for it. I've also just realised one of the foil bundles are pairing with another kit would have worked with this as well, but it's fine. It was last month's Twinkle. Oh, yeah. So this is the kit. Add-on wise, I have the 15mm, the extra girl boxes, and then the box add-on. So in my pre-planner, I tend to stick with like more core foils in my pre-planner, and I don't really know what overlays I'm going to use with this or anything like that, but I am going to be using hollow foil in this blue, which kind of like perfectly matches this colour here. So yeah, that is hollow foil, and it is hollow. I know it doesn't look very hollow on camera at the moment, but yeah, very definitely hollow. So that is for my pre-planner. And then in my memory planner, I am going to be pairing it with blue hollow foil from Caress Press in the Seashells design. I just think these were made to be used together. So they're your 4 boxes. This is the new format, so you got the toolbox and 3 extra 4 boxes there, your bottom washi and your themed rings, your icons and scripts, and 2 sheets of the bougie. So that is for my memory planner, but this is one where I'm definitely going to be pulling in some underlays, and I'm actually going to be pulling them in with this teal. It doesn't match perfectly, but it matches pretty well. So this is going to be Tilly Journals teal or similar. I'll just show you the colour a bit better, but yeah, you can see when the blue hollow is flat is quite similar, and so it's going to be Tilly Journals teal or similar kind of colour called and I'm going to be using a circle design, which I could actually show you. Hang on, hold, lose. This is actually going to be a little sneaky peek of the underlays that are coming, but I am going to be using this here. So these are all designed as repeating patterns. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be using for the underlays. There. So that is week 1. For the second week, this was a kit I was going to be using for my birthday, and then I moved it out to use the Magical Joy kit. So I wanted to use it this year, so it's going into March. Sorry, we've got an outdoor camera, so if you just had a weird cut, it's because I was just getting rid of the noise. Well, my editing diaries are getting rid of the noise. So yeah, this is for the week of the 6th to the 12th of March. No real reason. My brother's birthday is the Monday, and kind of it works for his birthday. His birthday is the Monday after, but Mother's Day is also the next week, so I'm using a Mother's Day kit the week after. But I really wanted to use this kit this year, and the colours make it feel really spring-like to me, like with the daisies. Anyway, so this was the March Mystery last year from Scribble Prints Co. Lots of people paired this with black foil, but I really want to brighten it up a little bit. So I haven't done that. You're going to have to let me know what you think of my foil pairing in the comments down below. There's the extra colour and your bottom washi and stuff. I actually had a purple Game Boy colour, I think I still do. So yeah, that's there. So for my pre-planner, I'm going to be pairing it with silver foil and using this purple plaid, which I just think works perfectly with this. I'm obsessed. Beautiful. Love it. Here for it. So that's for my pre-planner. And in my memory planner, you might think this is a bit bold and out there, but I'm going with it. We have the Daisy bundle in, it's like a pinky purple, It doesn't like exactly match the kit, but I just think it'll really brighten it up and go really well with it. If you've got any better foil suggestion pairings for this, let me know them down below, but I think this works really well, so we're going with it. So this is the old Caress Press format foil bundle, so you don't have that extra page basically, and these scripts and icons looks completely different. I am again going to be using underlays with this, and I am going to make daisy dot underlays, which you can see the daisy dot. I'll show you some full boxes in it if I can. So like this sort of style underlays, and that is going to be in the Tilly Journals purple. This is just it matches the purple in the kit really well. So yeah, it obviously doesn't match the full bundle, but I'm going to do a bit of a mixed metal there. I think it will be beautiful. So that will be a daisy dot underlays again coming next week. And that is for the week of the 6th to 12th, which actually my friends are coming the weekend, and I think this works quite well for that because they're coming for the weekend and we'll have like quite a chill weekend generally, and we're all like 90s kids, so it works. That's my logic. I'm sticking with it. Okay, for the next week it is Mother's Day, and I am doing what 90% of people seem to have done last year and used brunch from SPC. So it's actually my brother's birthday on the Monday and then Mother's Day at the weekend, and also we're doing a stall on the Saturday / I may or may not be going to Manchester for a friend's birthday, but I can't at the moment unless we get loads of help for St Crooks, which is the event we're doing on the Saturday. So this is the kit. You've got a sneak of the foil I'm using in my memory planner underneath, but this is Brunch by Scribble Prints Co. It is older format. In fact, both of these kits are, which I think I will struggle with, but we'll be fine. I'm just not used to old format anymore. I do have a lot of old format kits though. These pages are in a really random order. I've pulled in this 15mm to go with it, which I actually think works really well with the colours of the kit. I'm obsessed. I'm here for it. So that is Brunch, and in my pre-planner I'm going to be using rose gold foil, and I have this Vine washi from X Colourful Co, but it is now available in my shop, I believe. Yeah, it's called Grape Green. So yeah, there's that, and I just think it's perfect like spring colours. And then for the memory plan with me, I am going to be using this, which was the Twinkle in February. In fact, is it in the shop now? No, it came out yesterday, though I've probably left it in, so just go check. So this is like spring green Twinkle dot. I haven't got the full bundle here, but I've got some pages. These are just oops pages that I've pulled out for myself. So that's there. I will probably be using the underlays in there, unless I do the roses ones when I will come out with that. I haven't decided whether I'm going to do roses ones. I think I probably will, but I'm not 100% sure. So we'll see. But yeah, that is that. And that is for the week of Mother's Day, which is the 13th to the 19th of March. It's also my brother's wedding anniversary as well as Mother's Day and his birthday. So yeah, just a celebration kit seems to fit right. Okay, then on to the 20th of March, 20th to the 26th of March. Nothing hugely special is happening this week, so I just wanted to use like an early spring kit because we're in March, and I decided to go with this beauty that, oh my god, I wish my camera wouldn't colour correct when it's got nothing on screen, really annoys me, which is the Pink Diamond Planner Co. April 2022 Mystery. It is stunning. Oh, I'm subbed to the Pink Diamond Planner Co. Mystery after a few of like ones I just absolutely didn't want to miss, so this was one of those. So that is the format. I've got this purpley, which I think works quite well. It's not one of the kit colours, but I think it works quite well for the 15mm. So that is that. In my show the camera if you can.
She climbed into the bag. There was just a cotton bag on the bed and she just jumped straight into it.
I'm here now.
And she's quite happy.
This is my Nala baby.
You out now?
You coming out now? Good girl.
Hashtag not a sponsor.
Anyway, yeah. So for my pre-planner, I'm going to be pairing this with hollow foil again. Again, it doesn't look very hollow on camera. Let's just change the lighting. Let's zoom in a tiny bit because I feel very zoomed out. And I'm going to be pairing it with this one from Scribble Prints Co. I just think it worked well. Sticking with kind of hollow, I will be using the lavender hollow foil bundle that I believe it came with this, which is the butterfly. I think it works well. There's lots of butterflies in the kit. So yeah, that is your full boxes, your extra full boxes, and this comes with extra headers, I believe. You've got more headers and your bottom washi there. Scripts and icons. You get tons of icons in these kits. And your 2 pages of bougie, and also we have a page of boxes, which is fantastic. So that is the week of the 20th of March. Last but not least, which is the last week of this video, and goes into April. April is my birthday month, and I'm doing my favourite things theme. So my first kit is going to be planning. I wanted to. I don't know, I went back and forth on what this kit wanted to be. I would have liked it to be a Harry Potter kit, but I just don't have a good Harry Potter kit at the moment that I want to use. I have one from Oddly, but I'm making some functionals for this month, and I just don't really want to for March as well. So we went with this. I do love planning, and obviously it's my business and stuff, so it feels representative and it works. So yeah, this is Planner Life by Plannerface. This is the current Plannerface format, which we love. We are here for it. So just gonna look at that bottom washi. This is another one, if I make underlays for this, it will be in roses, or books. Don't know which of those I'm going to make yet, if either. But yeah, that's the kit. In my pre-planner, I'm going to be pairing it with silver foil and this other foil washi from my shop, which was originally a colourful long hair one. I can't remember what it's called, but it's currently in the shop. I want to say it's either... It might be Dusky Dawn, maybe. I'm really bad at my names of my washi, but anyway, yeah, that is there. So that's for my pre-planner with silver foil. And then in my memory planner, I really struggled with this. So I've gone with rose foil, and I just need to change my lighting, which is here. I've just gone with one of like the very generic underlays. One of the generic foil ones. This is like confetti or twinkle or something like that. Yeah. So if I make underlays for this, it'll either be roses or books. Don't know which I'm going to make. And I will be using my Dusky Rose, which is it's a shiny version of SPC's Rose, if that makes sense. Like SPC's Rose is quite matte, and this is like shinier. But yeah, it's very close otherwise colour wise. And that is for the week of the 27th to the 2nd, 27th of March to the 2nd of April, and the last kit for this video. Honestly, I have so many foil bundles, I should probably start using some in my pre-planner as well, but for now I'm not. I'm just going to zoom out, because I'm just going to show the kits, so we don't need too much zooming out. But yeah, well, I'm generally just going to show the kits, but if... I'll do. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. I'm not loving how this flat lay is looking, but it's fine. Maybe I should have shoved them a bit closer together. Yeah, that works. And we'll just pop the washies up there. Perfect. So that is my February lineup, March lineup. I feel like these three go really well together, and these two are a bit of an oddball thrown in, but it works, and I'm happy with the choices for the week I have. Comment like down below if you're twinning with me. I highly doubt it. They're a bit random kits, and they're all last year art, so probably not, but let me know in the comments down below. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!